How do Java RMI clients contact remote Java RMI servers in Java remote method invocation? Here we are considering how do Java RMI clients contact remote Java RMI servers. For an RMI client to contact a remote Java RMI server, the client must first hold the reference to the server. The naming.lookup method call is the most common mechanism by which client initially obtain references to the remote servers. Remote references may be obtained by other means. For example, all remote method calls can return remote references. This is what naming.lookup does. It uses a well-known stub to make a remote method call to the RMI registry, which send back the remote reference to the object requested by the lookup method. Every remote reference contains a server hostname and port number, which allows client to relocate the VM that is serving a particular remote object. Once a Java RMI client has a remote reference, the client will use the hostname and port provided in the reference to open a socket connection to the remote server. Please note that with Java RMI, the terms client and server can refer to the same program. A Java program that acts as a client RMI server contains exported remote object. A Java RMI client is a program that invokes one or more methods on a remote object in other virtual machine. If a VM performs both of these functions, it may be referred to as an RMI client and a Java RMI server. Here you can see a RMI client, and here you can see RMI registry. Here my interface MI and MI equal my interface naming.lookup the server / object to get. Naming lookup is inside RMI client, and step 2, create new instance of well-known stub class for the RMI registry running on the server. Step 2, call lookup object to get on the registry using the reference created in step 2, and this is connected to RMI registry. And registry return, step 4, the registry returns a remote reference to object to get. And step 5 is from naming.lookup. Naming.lookup returns the remote reference to object to get to the RMI client. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.